Hi, I'm Wade. I'm the Vice President at Pierce Arrow Inc. We installed EComposer because we were wanting to modify our template, tweak a few things, add sections, and make landing pages without having to write a bunch of code. We've used it so far for those things. I love the fact that you can make a section that drops into your current theme or template, set conditions on it, meaning we had two different sections we needed. One that appears if a product is a certain vendor, and it's kind of list out the features, why buy from that particular brand. And then another section we had is for kind of a complicated truck product we sell that's a kit, explaining how people can find a good installer for that if they don't feel comfortable doing it themselves. So that's been great, and I love the conditional features it has. So if you have needs along those lines, you can kind of just use your creativity. The conditions really give you a lot of flexibility in what can appear or not appear based on who's browsing or what page they're on. The usability, if you've used anything like WordPress, I have a lot of background in that, and any of the page builders like Elementor, it has that feel. It's just really nice, fluent. If you've used those, it's gonna be no problem for you. And very straightforward. The support's been great. Anytime I've had an issue and I'm great at breaking things, they've jumped right in and helped solve the problem fast. And it's just made our website clean. It gets that information out there, and it's always hard to attribute exactly what increase in sales go to, but I definitely have had good feedback from customers that have browsed our site. I definitely recommend EComposer to anyone who's got a Shopify store that wants to make landing pages or those sections like I mentioned. It's great, it works, and the support's excellent.